I, which says find the derivative, so find d dx of this. Why we didn't even put the common derivatives table. If you see I, and I, all of them are just polynomials. There's no there's nothing with where x is a power here. We don't even have where x is a power, an exponential, right? We don't even have an ln, we don't even have a sine, we don't even have a cos, we don't have a hyperbolic trig, so there was no need to even put it. When it's polynomials, we can just do it no time. d dx of 4x to the 3 over 2 minus 3x to the negative 2 plus pi. We want to do the derivative of this one. What a walk in the park, right? So what do we do? This is just going to be, let's do the derivatives. What do you do here? Drop the power, reduce it by 1. So it's going to be 4 is now multiplying 3 over 2. You have dropped the power. Then we reduce it by 1. It's now x to the, you put in the calculator, open bracket, 3 over 2, close, minus 1 is equal to, you get an answer. Then you say second function. Then you say a, b over c. To put it as a fraction, okay, you must get half. Okay, you do good. You should always say second function a, b over c, because sometimes it's going to be an improper fraction. Now here, let's do for this one again. We drop the power, so it's going to be minus of 3 by minus 2. And then we'll say you reduce it by 1. It's now x to the negative 3. Okay, x is now to the power of negative 3. Then what's the derivative of pi? Pi is just a number, so it'll be 0. Now, what is 4 times 3 over 2? It's 4 times 3 is 12 over 2. X to the half minus, what is minus of 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. And then there's this other minus outside, becomes plus 6. X to the negative 3. And if we're now simplifying, we have 12 over 2 is also a 6. So 6x to the half, 6x to the half plus 6 over x to the 3. Because x to the negative 3, you just put it in the denominator, it becomes a positive. So it's going to be 6 times the square root of x plus 6 over x cubed. If you wanted to put 6 outside, you'd put it. Here you remain with root x. Then here you say plus 1 over x cubed. Here's your solution. And you're done. Here is the derivative. We go on to the next one, which is part 2. Now we can do part 2 right now, or we can do it in the next video. I'll do it in the next video. Goodbye for now.